Yeah. That's right.
So ask the question like, as per today's market setup, what will be our investment position?
Okay, so you see my screen, right?
Yes.
Okay, so we got starting 7 o'clock, so it's gonna be over here on
Yeah.
second candle on the bottom red.
Yeah. Right.
So, okay, that goes short position. Okay, short position. So now short position. So now we do. Now we do red.
Yeah.
We're doing red right here.
Yes.
Okay, so
One question here.
so are we sorry?
I have one question for you. Last day, when we set our tool for short position, our red color is set on the second pair, means the first pair candle. But today we set it on the first highest candle. Why was that?
Oh, because maybe I was wrong yesterday, no?
No, yesterday is also good, today is also good.
Oh,
Yeah.
because starting at 7 now, because if we had like yesterday, we had right away three, let's say three red candles.
Mhm.
Okay, in that case, right away from the start, from 7 o'clock when market opens, if you got let's say first two red candles going down, on the second we putting position. But in this case, because we have red after opening, we have red, green, red, red. So that's why after there is already kind of like we lost, we losing, and that's why I put right away. I put right away, not on the first but the second. Second, not on third but on the second. But if we got, let's say, if we got market open 7 o'clock and we got, let's say, first three candles, then we put on a third.
So answer almost good. The rule is that like when the session start, okay, until our pair formed, whatever is the highest candle, we have to put our red on the highest candle. But we follow our pair as is.
Oh, so that means in this case I need to go lower
Uh,
on the red over here.
yeah, on here because this one is a biggest candle here.
Oh, okay. Sorry, I thought you asked me in these two candles why I put on a second candle. Or
No.
you was talking about red going up and down. Okay. Uh, so yeah, so this time we're putting the highest, the first highest, right?
Yes, we always use whatever the candle is highest. We have to put it on the above tail of the candle. Okay, for example, even if there is a green candle here whose tail is big, wherever the tail is, we have to put on the highest position from
Okay,
the session.
so
Like our candle,
yeah,
our pair creates in fourth candle. Okay, so from fourth towards left side we have three candles. So if whichever candle is big in those three, we have to put above.
Yeah, right here,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, we go green. We go down to 2%. Uh,
Yes. Perfect. It
oops.
is 2% now.
Even if it's more than 2.06, still okay, right?
Yeah, it is okay. 2.04, 06, 08. These are okay, but not 2.1. 2.023 is fine.
Okay. So now we calculate our lot size. So that's me. So now calculate over here. It's okay. We got 20 divided by 251. 251 divided by 10 equal 0.007. So our lot size is 0.007. Is that correct?
How much it is?
0.007.
0.007. It's 251. Yes, it is correct. It's James Bond.
Okay. Yeah.
So, just one thing here. The minimum lot size the broker allow us is 0.01.
Okay.
So it means like we have to invest at least 27 or $30 at least so that our investment open. Okay.
Oh, okay. So now it's 0.007, and you said minimum it's 0.0, sorry, 7?
0.01.
Oh, sorry, 0.01. That's the minimum.
Yes, minimum. Like it almost
Yeah,
$28 is the minimum investment.
yeah. Okay. So
Some
then
broker
we need to increase
allows
the.
$20 or so, but most of them use at least $30.
Okay. 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 So let's try now. I'm gonna delete this. So let's try now on the green. Can we do that?
And what will be our stop loss here and take profit here?
Oh, okay. So,
Because stop loss and take profit number we have to mention on the broker after opening our lot size.
oh, we need to tell them. Okay, our loss is gonna be stopped on 4,157.69.
Correct.
That's gonna be
Yes.
stopping line,
Yeah.
and profit is gonna be 4,080.77.
Correct.
Okay.
So if
And
the candle hit
yeah,
like 4157, we lose our $20. But if it hits 4080.7, we win. We will get our investment $40.
okay. So this line doesn't matter for us, right? This line, which one is 4,132.58,
Yeah,
border
this
between green and
this matter because we open our investment on that
on
position.
right there. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. Yeah, we opened that investment on that position, right?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
And remember, we
So,
only have to invest one investment per week. For example, if you invest on Monday and you got take profit, then you have to invest on the next Monday. No, not every day.
so if I invest the Monday, let's say if I take the profit, right? You said
Yeah.
I
If you
cannot invest. Yeah.
go ahead, please.
So explain to me again. Sorry, I cut you off.
So, for example, if you invest on Monday and you receive your earning, your investment, take profit, you have to wait until next week.
Hmm.
So it
So
means
you cannot then.
one
Yeah.
investment per week.
Oh, one investment per week.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said you can do every day.
We can every day. For example, if we lose on Monday, then we can invest on Tuesday. If we lose on Tuesday as well, then we have to invest on Wednesday as well. Until we are not going to be profitable at least 1%, uh, then we are going to continue. But as soon as we are under profit, for example, our account size is $2,000, and our first investment got a stop loss. We are on 1980. Then on Tuesday, we also got a stop loss. Now we are on 1940. So, but on Wednesday, we received 3%. So now we are on 20,020, $20 plus, and our lose also recover. So we do not need to invest further because we receive our 1% at least.
Oh, okay. So depends if you're winning or losing. That's why, kind of like if you do, obviously, yeah, what you mentioned, Monday you're winning, Tuesday. So if you only, let's say Monday you're winning, that means all week you cannot play. You cannot invest
Yes. And the
until next
reason
Monday.
is because this is we call this management. If we invest every day, we are going to lose more, win less. But this with the management of winning, as soon as we win, we settled ourselves. In this way, we are under moat. This is called management
Oh,
because we are not speculators, we are investors.
okay.
For
So in
example,
that
let's
case,
say
yeah,
this week we are currently on Wednesday. Today is Wednesday. I invest on Monday, but I got stop loss. I lose $200. But on Tuesday, I gain 2%. Means my investment is $200, but I receive $400. So my $200 of Monday is also recover. Now I am $200 plus on Tuesday. Therefore, I did not invest on Wednesday. Today I did not invest because I already settled myself.
okay. So what about Thursday?
Uh,
Nothing. You need to wait. You need to wait again for next Monday or next Wednesday or Thursday
Monday, working day. For example, the
or
Monday,
working
the
day,
first.
Monday. Oh, okay. So what's the secret? I mean, to gain more invest. I mean, obviously, if you invest the more bigger amount you got on your account, you're gonna if happen this way, let's say if you win on Monday, so you cover kind of all week, but you gain a bigger amount money.
So that is a very good question. So we have to fix our uh, amount right in the beginning of the year. For example, I start my investment in 2025 January. My account size is $5,000. For example, my account size is 5,000. For the 2%, I am investing $50. So the whole year I have to invest $50. In this way, I am not going to lose anything. I am always going to be plus. So after 6 months, my account almost going to be double, means 100% or 70% return on investment. Just doing one investment per week. As soon as I earn, I am not going to invest more. The rule or the for example, as per your question, what is the secret behind? The secret behind is to avoid speculation. If we stay on market long, market going to be get our money, because there are plenty of candles moving in few minutes. We are not able to handle every candle. We have to open our investment and as quick as possible exit from the market. Okay, avoid market sentiments, avoid speculation. These are the first rule of investment.
Okay. So, but another my question is, we now be talking about, let's say 6,000 or we are
Mhm.
6,000 or 2,000, no matter what. But to gain more money, let's say, so it's key, it's like to put more money on account, let's say 50,000, let's say, right? In
Mhm.
that case, obviously you're gonna lose, what we talked about before, lose and winning, whatever. But if you, let's say, for 6 months, you explain to me about your account, you're gonna gain much more because you put in more money inside. You're taking 2% it out, and that's like you winning more out.
So that is a very interesting question. And that question is also very important because, yes, obviously we have to invest bigger amounts. This 20 or 40 is not going to be give us a good uh, living. So let's say, can you see my screen?
Yeah,
Yeah. $50,000. For the 2%, we are going to invest $1,000. So right when the January 2026 start, we are going to invest $1,000. This $1,000 going to give us $2,000 per week. I think this is more than enough. What do you think?
yeah, plenty enough. I mean, 50,000, it's a lot of money, but again, 2,000, if you have saving account, saving 50,000, or you know what I mean? Even if you borrow the money, let's say put an account and 5% you putting in, let's say from the 2,000, if let's say 500 paying interest rate per week, again you have 1,500, right?
Kindly
You know what I mean?
repeat the question.
What I'm trying to say, it's good money, 2,000 per week. Even if you don't have your saving account, to put 50,000 in on account, let's say you can even borrow that money and put an account and doing investing. And even if you pay interest rate on those 50,500 per week, you're still winning 1,500. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's a very good calculation. If your
Yeah,
interest rate is 500, then you are on the plus side.
yeah. That's what I'm saying. Yeah.
And this is how
So
the USA market works. They borrow money, but they invest wisely. And in the investment field, we call this money other people's money. Do you know about OPM?
yeah, yeah, yeah.
In
That's why I study in real estate also. Yeah,
Yeah, in a real estate, this is a very frequently used word, OPM.
yeah.
I also study in a real estate market. Even most of the real estate investors, like there is a person who also giving lecture, Mr. Uh, uh, Poor Rich Dad, Poor Dad.
Oh,
Yeah,
Aresaki.
yeah. He often
Yeah,
uses that statement. He is also a stock market investor as well.
yeah. He's owning the silver mines, gold mines also.
Yeah, correct, correct.
Yeah, he's a multi-billionaire. Yeah, he is. Yeah. Uh, he's kind of a little too cocky, He thinking, oh, I did, everybody can do it. No, it's not like that. It's not like that. But anyway, like other some guys, but doesn't matter, that everybody have different, way how to say it. And
Mhm.
but yeah. So in this case, we're talking about 50,000. So you said in 6 months, on the beginning of January, you can just put that amount money on your account. You cannot increase, you mean? Or after 6 months, you can increase it.
Uh, uh, for example, as per my calculation, it is 8,000. It is 8,000 per month, right? Can you see my screen,
Okay.
please?
Yeah, yeah, I can see it.
8,000. Now 8,000 multiplied by 6, we have 48,000. So almost we are going to get 100% in 6 months. Let's say we get 100% in 1 year. That is also very good.
Yeah,
There is no market going to give us 100% in 1 year with just few minute efforts.
yeah. But but I'm talking about, let's say, these $50,000 when you're putting on a big January, let's say first, when you open the market and start investing, you put inside, let's say, $50,000 in account and playing, investing through the 6 months. Can you increase those 50,000 to the higher, or how it works? You mentioned something before, kind of like you cannot increase. You need to be all the time the same amount full year, or no?
So this amount going to increase into almost 98,000.
No, no, I know, but what about 50,000? The 50,000. Let's
Yes.
say if I start opening, like, my account with 2,000, obviously it's gonna be small percentage, small money. So if I have extra money, let's say 10,000, can I increase add it to my account instead of 2,000, let's say 10,000 or whatever?
Mhm. So for you mean like in the month of January you started with 2,000, but in the month of February you want to increase it to 10,000.
Yeah,
Okay, so yes, it works, but you have to be smart here. For example, if in the month of January you invest 2,000, but you are losing money, okay? Like in the first week you are on a negative side, still you have to get your earning. So wait until you are on a positive side, okay? At least wait 4 weeks so that you increase some of your amount. I mean, the entry is very important, okay? For example, if you lose in the past, wait until recover that amount, then enter into for the next money.
oh, to bigger amount on account.
Yeah.
Okay.
Entry is very important. For example, if market already gives in the month of January a handsome amount, okay? So wait a bit until some lose. You can add money anytime. That is not a problem. Broker do not say like you can enter next month or next month. It is all about your management.
Mhm.
But yes, you can add. For example, 2000 is, then you can add in 10,000 in February. After 1 month is good.
Yeah, just you need to monitoring kind of like if you start losing, it's better to invest those money, let's say extra 10,000 when you're on a positive side. When you're winning, then you invest then. If you're losing, kind of you obviously you go in minus and wait to recover your account to kind of be in the positive side and then invest more $10,000, right?
Right. And also make
Okay,
sure, like, for example, when the new month start, that is also very important.
okay,
New month, new week, so that you can start freshly.
okay. Can we do one more thing? You have time to do now on the green side if you finish on this one?
Yeah, sure. You can share your screen.
Uh,
So now this is all about your practice. You have to practice a lot so that you can open your investment fast. The opening is very important. You, as soon as you put your short position or long position, calculate the lot size fast and open the investment within few seconds. After that, you can add the stop loss number and take profit number.
how much the question is how much, let's say, you can lose if you, let's say, late, let's say, minute.
Yes, a very good question. Very, very important question. See, if you late 15 minutes today, okay, let's say for as per the today's, I can see on my screen your candles. Have you can see the fifth candle. It is a very
Yeah,
big red color candle, right?
yeah.
Yeah. Let's say you delay it 15 minutes. You are going to be out of market. You do not going to earn anything because this single candle is complete in 15 minutes and it already given us 2%.
Mhm.
So this all happens
Oh,
in
I
few
see.
minutes.
Yeah, depends. Even these first two red candles shorter, but doesn't matter. That's each 15 minutes. But point is, when we came to the market, it's over here and then down 2%. And that's big loss from here to here, red candle all the way down.
Yeah. If you delay it, you
Okay.
are not going to get return on investment as per the
Yeah. And you
rule.
yeah. And usually in the mornings when the session starts, it usually goes up market, not goes down. But depends, but kind of like in average goes up, right?
You are right. Mostly goes up, but last 2, 3 days you can see that it is going down because the price already very high.
Yeah, yeah. Okay. I'm gonna shut down this. I mean the lady. Okay, let's try now to let's say you see my mouse.
Yes.
Okay, let's say
Kindly move it on the
session
left
starts over
side
here.
on the past days so that we can find the real example of buy. Shuffle it.
Oh, okay, over here, right?
um,
Over here.
I mean move on the if you flow your screen to the right side.
All right, side.
Yes, yes. And we will let's see. I think the buy candle is made on 17th October. 17th October. So move back.
17th.
17th. Yes.
17th. Hmm. More, you mean
17th.
more to the right?
Yes.
Oh, okay. So, okay, over here. We can more right?
Yes. Yes, please. Here we are. Here we are. This is the
Oh,
example.
okay.
This, yeah, here you can also get the example as well.
Okay. So session starts at 7 o'clock. Okay. So we got one, two, we put in a third candle on the top.
But why we put on the third candle? Both first two candles also green.
Oh, oh, okay. Oh, no, 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 my mistake. We put it on this on we're putting on a second, yes.
Yeah.
So we go with the long position. We put it on the second top. Okay, now we need to do with the red. Now we go red to 1%.
Red is for the stop loss. This is not for the percentage.
Oh, do we need to move? Okay, I cannot do the green. Hmm. Okay, so now we do the green. Oh no, no, the red we need to put on a red first. Over here.
Can you explain why you put here?
Oh, because if goes down, stops here. We cannot put it here, right?
Mhm. You have to see
We put
your
in.
pairs, your pairs. Where are your pairs? Your pair candles.
Well, like it's right. You talk about for the red. For the red.
Yes, yes. It is going to be on the lower side of the first candle, our first pair, because first candle is,
Oh,
yes, this red big
so
candle.
we put in a first. So we're putting on the first of the green
Correct.
over here. You mean?
First candle, first.
Why I cannot move this one?
Your let
No.
me let me open on my end, so I will explain.
Okay.
And 2 minutes remain. The meeting going to be close. I will try.
Okay.
So the reason the candles of first two also green, but they are very narrow. We cannot see them properly. But do not puzzle here. These both two candles are also genuine. The first candle is our stop loss number
Yeah. Okay.
because
Oh, I got it. Oh, so, oh,
yeah,
okay. So like this. Okay, like that. And then
yeah, perfect, perfect. You got it rightly. Now you can set the upper green on the 3% because it is green, and that's it.
3%.
Correct.
Yeah.
Yeah. Move down, move down, move down. It is now 6%. We have to 3%. Back,
Sorry.
back. Yeah, back, 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 3%. Yeah, that's it. That's all. 3.02. Move down, move down.
3.3 point.
So meeting is going to close. I will share the video on YouTube. You can also watch there. Yeah, perfect.
Okay. Thank
That is
you.
perfect.
All right. Thank you.
It is my play here too. Thank you very much. You are welcome.